Hi guys, this is designer Sami and today we will learn the draw tool of the AutoCAD. Here you are seeing the draw tool of the AutoCAD, and in the next class we will learn about modifier and annotation. Okay, and then we will learn the layer section, below, property and group etc. So we can start here with the draw tool. First of all, you need to take the line. Just click on the line, or you can take the line command. L, enter. L for line. L, enter. This is the command of the AutoCAD. So just press the L and press the space bar, because space bar is the main enter set for the AutoCAD. Okay, so L, enter is the command of the line. Just press L, enter, and you can draw a line. If your line is going straight, you can click on this button. This is ortho mode, or you can press F8 also. So I am going to press F8 and I will draw a line. This is the line. You can draw a line in any shape. Okay, I mean, you can make it straight, or you can create it zigzag. Okay, so now I am going to create a line, a straight line. Okay, so for the straight line you can press F8, function key 8, to on ortho mode. Okay, just click and you will create a straight line. Click and click and click. Okay, now we are going to create a polyline. The command of the polyline is PL, enter. Just press PL, enter, and you can create a polyline. If you want a zigzag line, so you need to press F8 again. Press F8 and you can create a zigzag polyline. What is the difference in line and polyline? I will just show you. If you will click on polyline, it will select almost all, everything. If you will click on the line, it will select separately. Okay, this is the difference in line and polyline, and there are many others major difference in the polyline and line. That is the part of the expert level. Okay, you are the beginner, so this is the enough for you to understand that this is the difference of the polyline. Here you can select polyline in one click, and you need to click many more to select the line. Okay, now we will create a circle. Just press C and enter and click and drag it. Drag as much as you want to keep your circle bigger, and then click. C, enter, click and drag and click on second point. Now we are going to create a arch. For the arch, press A, enter, A, enter. If you will not connect this thing, you can pick the blue point. Okay, pick the blue point and keep it to the target point. For the arc, press A, enter, first click, second click and third click. To create the rectangle, press REC, enter, first click and the second click. For the ellipse, press EL, enter, first click, second click and third click. Ellipse is a oval shape like egg. Okay, and if you want to show the pattern in your design, you can use this H command. Okay, I am going to take the command H, enter, and click in surface you want to create the pattern. I clicked here, drop this button down and choose a pattern. I choose this pattern and then you can change the scale. I am going to put here 200. 200 is not enough, so I am going to create 2000. 2000 is a good scale for this pattern. Okay, just press enter, or you can press escape to escape the H command. Okay, so this was the draw tool from line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, ellipse and hatching. Now we will repeat the short key for all this tool. For the line, we can take the L, enter for polyline, PL, enter for circle, C, enter for arc, A, enter for rectangle, REC, enter for ellipse, EL, enter for H, enter. If you find this video helpful, please share and subscribe this channel and stay connected for other useful tricks and tips of the AutoCAD. Thank you so much.